The name Aninii comes from the word Anini, meaning small rivers or receding tide. A local legend also states that Anini, daughter of Datu Oyong, fell in love with Nogas. After breaking a promise to a sea spirit, their boat capsized. So in memory, the mainland was called Aninii and the nearest island was called Nogas. Key dates in Aninii's history. Spanish missionaries built the first church in the early 1600s. Settlers arrived around 1630. The biggest milestone was August 5, 1949, when President Elpidio Quirino signed Executive Order number 253, making Aninii an independent municipality and separate from the Tobias Fornier or Dao. Aninii started as a small Spanish settlement in the 1630s. Augustinian missionaries built the Coral Stone Church or the Baroque Church. It was once part of Dao, now Tobias Fornier. After World War II, it finally became its own town in 1949. Significant people. Juan Castillo Obaga is the town's local hero and founder. He fought for independence from Dao and became the first mayor in 1949. Early town captains built roads and schools. Father Geronimo Baquerin oversaw the construction of the beautiful coral stone church, now today known as the Baroque Church. Geography. Aninii covers about 49 square kilometers. Most of the land is rolling hills and mountains, with coastal areas on three sides. It is a fourth-class coastal municipality with 23 barangays, located at the southern tip of Panay Island. Flora. Common plants include fragrant calachuchi or frangipani and the majestic balete or banyan tree. These add beauty to the landscape and hold cultural meaning for locals. Mangroves. Along the coast, mangroves protect the shoreline. The main species is Rhizophora seyi with strong prop roots. You'll also see bantigi on rocky shores. These trees support fish and prevent erosion. Fauna. Wildlife includes the endangered tabon bird and colorful reef fish like snappers, groupers, and parrotfish. Fruit bats are often seen flying near the lighthouse at dusk in Nogas Island. Population and ethnic groups. Population is 22,713 according to the 2024 census. Most residents are Visayan, speaking Hiligaynon and Kinaraya. There is also a small Ati indigenous community with deep pre-colonial roots. Economics and livelihood. People mainly depend on rice farming and fishing alongside the coast. Many work as tenants or go out to sea daily. Extra income comes from small businesses and OFW remittances. Culture present in Aninii. Culture is rooted in Kinaraya traditions and respect for nature spirits. Locals perform fishing rituals and tell stories that teach moral lessons. They blend daily life with spiritual belief. The lively Urukay Festival celebrates community and love. Inspired by simple wedding feasts, it features street dancing, music, and fun competitions that bring everyone together. Language and unique customs. The main language is Kinaraya with a distinct accent. A unique custom is Pangluya, a traditional healing ritual using ginger, prayers, and chants to treat illnesses believed to come from spirits. Padaga Kang Balay is also one of the unique custom of Aninii. It is a house blessing ritual. A white pig is offered. Its blood marks the four corners for protection. and the meat is shared with neighbors to bring good fortune and strengthen bonds. Historical site: the San Juan Nepomuceno Parish Church, or the Baroque Church of Aninii, the only well-preserved Spanish-era coral stone church in Antique. Built in the 1800s, it has survived many challenges and remains a symbol of faith. Tourist attractions: a must-visit is the Siraan Hot Spring, warm sulfuric waters on a cliff overlooking the sea. It's relaxing, said to have healing properties, and offers beautiful views. Other spots include Nogas Island for beach lovers. This is Punta Nasog, Esplanade, a scenic coastal area perfect for walking and sightseeing. It offers beautiful ocean views, especially during sunset. Cresta de Gallo is a striking mountain formation in Aninii. Its name means rooster's crest, inspired by its sharp, rugged peaks. It offers scenic views and is a notable natural landmark in the area.